Hi everybody, welcome back to A Glittery Life. You guys, I have so many videos that I filmed that I still have not edited because I tore my rotator cuff, my right shoulder. You guys, it sucks so bad. It looks like I'm gonna have to have surgery. If you pray, I need you to pray for me. Pray that physical therapy works a miracle and I do not have to have surgery on my right arm. It would mean that I'm basically out of work for like, well, not out of work, but that I can't work as a makeup artist for 4 to 6 months. Not exactly how to start my 2019. Okay, you guys, it's lucky bag time. I'm so pumped. My favorite time of the year, my favorite thing I buy. I say this every year. I'm like a broken record for lucky bags. This is my favorite thing that I buy all year long in terms of like the beauty, makeup industry, anything. So Beautylish does this once a year. You can buy it on December 26th. The only way you're going to get it is if you have done the early access sign up. Then you get an email sent to you. It's a hidden page on their website and you have to have that email to access it. So early access link is down there. If you haven't signed up already, go ahead and hit pause, go sign up on Beautylish. This link gets you there. All you do is put your email in, and then on the 25th, you'll be notified what time lucky bags go live. And then on the 26th in the morning, you'll get the link and you get to order your lucky bag. I have it on very good authority that they have dramatically limited the amount of lucky bags they're doing this year. And you guys, they've totally changed it. This is so crazy. I apologize that I didn't have this video out simultaneously with the announcement, but I'm not kidding you, this shoulder thing has been a real bummer. I fell down our stairs, our wooden staircase, carrying a laundry basket that had like 4 loads in it. Yeah. I was like, I can walk this off. I'm okay. No. After like a month, I was like, I'm gonna have to go to the doctor. And then it took me a month to get a doctor's appointment. What is healthcare these days, you guys? Okay, but I digress. I apologize. We're here to talk about the lucky bags, the best thing that ever happens to me. So this year, you can get the original lucky bag, which you pay $75, and you get $150 guaranteed of brand new full-size product that is only stuff Beautylish sells. Every year I have seen those bags are over $150. In fact, every year that I've gotten the $75 one, I always got over $150 of value. Then you can get the lucky bag XL, which is what I got last year. I will link that video, that unboxing. So it's $150 for $350 of product. I think last year mine was like $420 worth of product. I can't totally remember, but it was like, and it wasn't even an extra lucky one. It was just a lucky bag. It was just the XL. Because there's extra lucky. So like one year I got an extra lucky bag, which had a $20 gift card to Beautylish. And I thought I'd hit the jackpot. Another year, I've always gotten Wayne Goss brushes. In fact, last year I got one of my favorite, that's the 11, where's the 15? Oh, I don't think I have, oh, I don't know where it is. I got the Wayne Goss number 15 brush, which is one of my favorite brushes by Wayne. Okay, and then there's the two new options this year. Give one, get one. Buy the original lucky bag at $150, and we will donate a second one to teens at UCSF Children's Hospital, which is so cool. So you get the $75 lucky bag, and then somebody else, a teen in the hospital, gets a $75 lucky bag. I'm really torn because that's the one that I want to do, but then I want to do the unboxing for the XL, and so I'm like so torn because you can only buy one. This is where you'd have to like be really creative to like buy multiples. Like you'd have to like have your daughter buy it for you with like her address, or have your husband buy it with his email and his work address and his debit card, not yours. Because it's one box per address, per account, per email address, per payment form. So, and then the last one is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lucky Bag. And it is $75 for $150 worth of just Jeffree Star products. I'm sure the Jeffree Star clowns will like go crazy over that. Okay. Every year I give a little bit of a lecture about the lucky bags, and I'm gonna do less of a lecture this year, and this is what I'm gonna say. Lucky bag, that money is gambling, okay? It's not for people who love to be in control. It's not for people who are like Debbie Downer and can't get excited for somebody who gets an extra lucky bag. And it's just not for people who have like a set expectation of what they deserve or what they're entitled to or what they feel like they should have in their bag. It's not, if that's you, it's just not for you. Just keep your $75 and do something else with it, or keep your $150 and do something else with it. The lucky bags are for people who like want to go on a makeup adventure, want to take a risk, want to do something crazy, like to be surprised. That's who the lucky bag is for. So even last year, I bought the XL knowing that I would definitely get duplicates. I knew that there would be things in it that I already had because I know how much money I spend on Beautylish, and I know that I buy a lot of the latest and greatest, and that's usually what they put in the bags is all this new stuff. So I'll link all of my lucky bag videos for you, but I mean, I've gotten like by Terry, Charlotte Tilbury, Natasha Denona. Oh, remember the year that people got the big 28s, the Natasha Denona 28s? Every year I think I've gotten one of her like 5-pan palettes. I think every year I've gotten a Wayne Goss brush, which honestly, that's just like the thing for me. Last year I got Orbe in mine. I got Salasu in mine. I said Charlotte Tilbury, RCMA. Oh, there's always, not always, but usually there's a baby Sensi Bio Bioderma, which I'm always really excited about getting that because I travel. So that's always amazing. But I mean, it's all full size stuff. So, I mean, I think about like all the new stuff that Beautylish added this year, and I'm like, are we going to see Smith brushes in lucky bags? Is that going to be a thing? Or like some of the new skincare. I mean, Beautylish just, I feel like they doubled their brands this year. So I just feel like it could be really exciting, another exciting year for lucky bags. I feel like they're always really exciting. Like last year, I thought mine was like so bananas. And I'm trying to think what else I want to tell you about it. I don't know. I think that's it. But I think it's 100% worth it. But I love surprises. I love the risk. I love the trade. One of the things that if you've never done a lucky bag, people trade. So like last year, in fact, I've traded every year with people I don't know, just with people that you like. There's all kinds of ways to trade like stuff on lucky bags. My least favorite is all of the ratchet trolls on Instagram who are so entitled and who think their lucky bag sucked because they got stuff they didn't like. And I'm like, I don't know why who doesn't like Natasha Denona Super Glow, or who doesn't like Becca Backlight Prime? I don't know. I just think it's like, well, then don't get it. If you're going to complain, just don't get it because it's so annoying. It's just ugly too, actually. That's how I really feel about it. What if what if lucky bags have Sonia G brushes in them? Would you freak? Because I would totally freak. I haven't even done anything about these yet because they came when my shoulder was like super bad, but I have the new Sonia G eye brushes. I have not even gotten to use them yet. You guys, I put makeup on today. I did like a full face of makeup. Let me tell you how rare that is. So by the time it was like time to do my hair, my shoulder hurt so bad that this is all I can manage. Wow, poor me, whatever. Lucky bag. Do it. In fact, this is the funniest thing about lucky bags. The morning the link goes live, I spend an hour. I have a running list on my phone of people I text so that they get the link immediately so that they don't miss out on the lucky bag. Because people who are like, don't let me forget about lucky bag. Don't like, make sure I get it, or I didn't get it last year. Make sure I'm on the list. I'm not even kidding you. In my notes section of my phone, I have a running list and I send out an individual text to everybody on my list so that they can get on the list. And then I usually send out a reminder because this is what I would suggest. You have to be ready on December 26th. I am cuckoo. Well, I'm not cuckoo. I just don't want to miss it. So I have my computer loaded on the Beautylish website, ready to go. I have my debit card sitting on my computer, ready to go. I am like not messing around. And then I am like refreshing till that email with the link comes out. And then I'm like fast and furious. I swear I got the last extra large lucky bag last year because somebody had DM'd me within minutes of me getting mine. They're like, XL is all sold out. And I'm like, I know, I refreshed the page after I ordered and it was sold out. And I'm sure I didn't get the last one, but I felt like I got the last one. So, and that was like 5 minutes, you know, like not even 5 minutes after the email went out. So, whew. Anyway, you don't want to miss it. It's the coolest thing ever. I love it so much. Like I said, you can go back in the Glittery Life archives. I will link those videos down below. And I just hope you guys are doing great. And I hope you have a fantastic Christmas, Hanukkah, or just day off if you're not observing the Christmas or Hanukkah holidays. So anyway, love you guys. I'm going to try to get some of those videos edited for you. Love you. Bye.